In this video, I'll show you how to share OneDrive files with others quickly and easily, whether you want to send a document to one person, share a folder with your team, or give someone view-only access. This is a simple process, and once you know where the sharing options are, you can control exactly who can see your file and what they can do with it. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Now let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go to onedrive.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, enter your email and password so you can access your cloud files. Once you're inside OneDrive, you'll see all of your documents, folders, and uploaded files in one place. Next, find the file or folder that you want to share. You can share almost anything stored in OneDrive, including Word documents, PDFs, images, spreadsheets, and folders. Click once to select the item. If you want to share a whole folder, make sure you choose the correct folder before moving on. After selecting the item, look at the top of the page and click the Share button. This opens OneDrive's sharing window, where you can choose how the file will be shared. This is the part where you decide exactly who can access your content. Now you'll see sharing options. One option is anyone with the link. This is useful if you want to send the file to multiple people and don't want to enter each email manually. Anyone who gets the link can open it, depending on the permissions you set. Another option is specific people. This is more secure because only the email addresses you add will be able to open the file. Once you choose who can access the file, set the permissions. You'll usually see options like can view and can edit. If you choose can view, people can open the file and read it, but they won't be able to make changes. If you choose can edit, they can modify the file, which is helpful for collaboration. Pick the permission that matches what you want others to do. After setting the access and permissions, click Apply. This confirms your sharing settings and prepares the link or email invitation. At this point, you can either type in the email addresses of the people you want to share with, or simply click Copy Link if you want to send the link manually through email, chat, or text message. If you enter email addresses, double check that they're correct before sending. Then click Send. OneDrive will notify those people directly and give them access to the file. If you copied the link instead, just paste it into your message and send it to the people you want to share with. Once the file is shared, the other person will be able to open it based on the permissions you selected. If you chose Edit Access, they can work on the file with you. If you chose View Access, they can only view it. You can always come back later and change the sharing settings if needed. That's all it takes to share OneDrive files with others. It's fast, easy, and gives you full control over who can access your content. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.